In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads available on this device. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now select Browse in the middle at the bottom after choosing Got It in the pop-up. Lastly, tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. In order to access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!